Give me Spike. No, please, I am begging you. No. OMG, I'm quitting AJ. I want her to Spike so bad, but nobody gives me it. I'm quitting. Try to work up to it. You only have necklaces and rare item Mondays. I can barely get you anything. I mean, you can try to get warrants and box hats, but you'll need more rare item Mondays and two. But I want the Spike now. If I can't have the Spike, then I'm quitting AJ. Fine, go ahead. I'll give you the Spike if you promise not to quit. OMG, yay! Thank you. It's always been my dream. OMG, I love this look. It is so good. Look at all the colors. They're pretty. Hey, you, down there. Make your colors match. It is just so dumb when people who don't do that. No, I'm keeping this outfit and you can't tell me what to do. No, I'm going to a different place now. I'm sorry you had to watch that idiotic thing, but yeah. Bye.